Works for me. Oh, and Orner going to take over the lead. See, Gravel, you're getting your birthdays next week, bad luck, to make up for the good luck you'll have next week. All right. Well, where do we leave off here? Whoop. It's going to be Fowler out front. David Orner running second. And Dunford running third. Philip Ortiz in the 4. Robert Black in the 5. And Fowler getting it wrong. So now it's going to be Orner out front. And then Orner getting it wrong. It's going to be, oh my God, Hillbillies. RP looking to send it in on Orner. Almost made it work. This is one of those comedy of errors type things. Alright. Now that we got that first minute and a half out of our systems, let's see if we can strap it up, shake it down, do some good ones. Got 130 down and 3:30 left to go for Ryan Dunford. Our race leader, David Orner running second, and Robert Black running third. Same order we finished in last time. It is the mod truck out front, and then Orner in the stock, Robert in the stock, and Gravel now at the 4th spot. Looks like Coach rolling it over there, going to lose some ground. Coach in that 7th spot, having a rough start. 2 minutes down and 3 to go. Modified B number 2, you guys are up next. Mod B2, you guys are up next. Have them ready. Halfway done, guys. 2:30 down and 2:30 to go. RB and Orner beating each other up now. You better wait for him now. Got 2 minutes left to go. Drivers, 2 minutes left. Done for Black and Orner. Chuck Fowler in that 4, Lee Gravel in 5, Ortiz 6, and Coach 7. Fast lap, going to be a 22 lap from Ryan Dunford. Had a 21 something or other in that first one. Looks like RB is slowing down a little bit here, letting Orner catch back up. Minute 30 left to go, drivers, 1:30 to go. Robert getting back on the gas now, coming onto the straightaway behind Ortiz. Orner getting around Coach there. Thank you, guys. Good driving. Pair of 22s for Robert and David. 22-3 and a 22-4. Got just over 1 minute left to go. Dunford at 22-9. So actually second and third, the faster drivers on that last go around. And then Dunford at 23-5, slowing it down quite a bit. Robert coming by the line, 23-3. Orner 22-9, making up some ground here, about a second and a half back. 45 seconds left to go. Hey Joshua, we need that transponder back. 20 seconds, drivers, 20 seconds left to go. Chucky rolling it over there, checking that 5 spot. Ten seconds, guys, 10 seconds left. And that is time. Dunford, you are done going 13 and an 0-2. Oh, and Chuck nailing the pipe. Robert, you're done. Chuck, you're done. Philip, you're done. David Orner, you're done. And wait for Gravel. Gravel is done, and that is a race.